Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change text message or normal message to iMessage. As you can see, currently I'm on my message app and here I'm in a conversation, and this is a iMessage and this is a normal or text message. So using iMessage, we can easily send any message through our mobile data or Wi-Fi without our SIM or without balance. So to make our normal text message to iMessage, all you have to need, go to your settings app and scroll down, open messages, and here you'll find iMessage. Just enable this iMessage, and now on, whenever you send any message to any iPhone, the message will be sent as iMessage, as you can see. So this is how we can change text message to iMessage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.